Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. A study conducted by researchers at Linköping University in Sweden provided astonishing evidence that simple dietary changes in otherwise healthy men significantly improves their sperm motility, which is sperm movement, and sperm quality almost immediately. So the study examined 15 normal, non-smoking young men who for 2 weeks consumed only food that was provided to them by the researchers. Now, the food that they gave them was consistent with the Nordic nutrition recommendations for healthy eating, which are the government's healthy eating guidelines for citizens of Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden. So the Nordic nutrition recommendations include a diet that contains healthy foods, vegetables, fruit, berries, pulses like beans and peas and lentils, regular intake of fish and vegetable oils, whole grains, and low-fat alternatives to dairy and meat, and a limited intake of red and processed meat, and as well as reducing sugar, salt, and alcohol. So it's a healthy diet. During the second week, the men followed the same guidelines, but with one exception: they added some simple sugar to the program, around 3.5 liters of soda pop or 450 grams, about 16 ounces of confectionery candy every day. So sperm quality and other indicators of the participants' health were investigated at the start of the study, after the first week during which they followed the healthy diet, and after the second week after they followed the healthy diet with some added sugar. And so the results showed this, that at the beginning of the study, 1/3 of these men had low sperm motility. Now, motility is one of several factors that influences sperm quality, and the fraction of people with low sperm motility in the study corresponded to that in the general population. That means that a lot of healthy, otherwise healthy young men walking around, about 1/3 of them, in this part of the world at least, have low sperm motility. So the researchers were surprised to discover that the sperm motility of all the participants became normal during the study. So after just a week or two of following the Nordic nutrition recommendations, every single man in the study, their sperm motility improved just almost right away. The study showed that sperm motility can be greatly improved in a short period and seems to be closely tied to dietary practices. Now, this is important, has clinical implications, because especially for men who want to conceive a child with their partner. Now, of interest is the fact that the additional sugar added to the healthy diet during the second week did not seem to negatively impact the sperm motility and quality. So there were still enough components in the Nordic nutrition guidelines that were so healthy it seemed to even override some added sugar being placed into the diet during the second week. The researchers stated that sperm quality can be compromised by several environmental and lifestyle factors, of which obesity and related diseases such as type 2 diabetes are well-known risk factors for poor sperm quality. So in conclusion, evidence continues to show that dietary and lifestyle patterns followed by men impact their sperm motility and quality. Now, smoking, obesity, type 2 diabetes, being a pre-diabetic, certain nutritional deficiencies, even marginal nutrient deficiencies, which are quite common across the population, tend to compromise sperm motility and sperm quality, reducing the chances of conceiving a child. So this study showed that sperm motility and quality can be improved significantly in just a week or two by following healthy dietary practices as outlined by the Nordic nutrition recommendations. So I've included the scientific references for this information in the text below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.